After reviewing the movie, submitted by the SEC to compel specific post-complaint discovery in the Ripple action, the crypto expert believes that the motion will be denied by the magistrate Sarah Netburn. As a result of Ripple's opposition to the SEC's request to compel crypto aficionados have taken to the X platform to speculate about the decision that magistrate Sarah Netburn would make about the subject. Both the SEC and Ripple have taken positions regarding post-complaint discovery. In a motion that was filed on January 11, the Securities and Exchange Commission requested that the court order Ripple to hand over 2 documents and provide a response to one interrogatory. A post-complaint contract that governs the company's institutional sales is included in the documents. Additionally, Ripple's audited financial statement for the year of 2022 to 2023 is also included. Additionally, the SEC is requesting that Ripple provide the amount of money it made from the selling of XRP to institutions. It was not surprising that Ripple argued against the motion, stating that there are 2 important reasons why the judge ought to reject the motions. Ripple believes that the post-complaint inquiries made by the SEC are superfluous and made at an inappropriate time. An argument was made by the company that resuming the fact discovery phase could lead to a protracted legal battle because the period had been ended in 2021. The motion from the SEC will be denied by the court. Ashley Prosper, a notable crypto specialist and member of the XRP community, responded by speculating that Judge Netburn will probably reject the motion to compel that was submitted by the SEC. According to him, the most favorable conclusion that the Securities and Exchange Commission can hope for is for the judge to schedule a hearing before she ultimately rejects its motions. It is important to note that Prosper is well known for his forecasts on the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. When Prosper submitted a Freedom of Information Act request in 2022, he was looking for the SEC's communication with JP Morgan regarding Ripple and XRP. This is something that should be mentioned because it contributed to Prosper's rise to prominence within the XRP community. Prosper, like the majority of XRP supporters, asserted that the Securities and Exchange Commission was prompted to file a lawsuit against Ripple by a number of private corporations, including JP Morgan. But so far, none of the efforts that have been made to convince the Securities and Exchange Commission to provide over its conversations with JP Morgan have been successful. As this was going on, Bill Morgan, an attorney who supports XRP, questioned the reason why the SEC is requesting post-complaint documentation from Ripple. The legal expert claimed that the SEC's move to compel particular evidence is motivated by the need to reopen the action in order to ascertain whether or not Ripple's post-complaint sales meet the requirements of the Howey test. Will the world's economic transactions be unable to be processed due to the XRP's maximum token limit of 100 billion? Also, yesterday, Ripple noticed a large transaction transferring XRP to an unidentified wallet address. On top of that, Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, recently addressed worries about the XRP ledger's missing Genesis block by referencing a comparable situation with Ethereum. In the midst of XRP reaching a significant burn milestone, Alger expressed his concerns about burning the asset. Keep in mind that we discovered last week that the number of tokens wiped off the XRP ledger had exceeded 12 million units. Notable members of the community, such as Nodos Finance co-founder Panos Mekras, have offered encouraging feedback on this milestone, highlighting XRP's status as a deflationary asset. The creator of Black Swan Capital, on the other hand, has come out and said that XRP burns are pointless. The world economy may not be able to withstand XRP's 100 billion XRP maximum supply, he claimed. Burning XRP tokens is an attractive but ultimately unjustifiable idea, according to Alger. He envisions the business models of companies like Ripple utilizing the vast amount of XRP. If you believe that 100 billion XRP can adequately support the world economy, then you fail to grasp Ripple's objective. According to him, it may be tempting to burn XRP tokens, but doing so is superfluous. In addition, Alger argued that there could not be enough XRP to satisfy demand when it comes around, particularly when considering future demand that the mainstream has not yet recognized. Moon Studios creator Youssef Alreda was unconvinced that Ripple's business objectives could sustain XRP over the long run. There must be objectives for Ripple's. Is our inclusion in those objectives a given? I acquired Alreda. He stressed that burns are important because they make XRP more scarce, which drives up its value. Crypto enthusiast Jason Douglas of the United Kingdom meantime sought to shed light on the financial landscape's anticipated desire for XRP. According to Douglas's calculations, XRP might earn $200 billion if it managed to grab just 2 of JP Morgan's daily trillion-dollar turnover. There are only 100 billion XRP tokens in circulation. Therefore, according to Douglas, the price of XRP would need to skyrocket to cover the possibility of such a situation. The XRPL burn mechanism is designed to deter network spam, not intentionally restrict the quantity of XRP. This is a significant difference. However, most crypto experts believe burns are essential because of the potential effect on XRP's value. If you want to be the first to know about any new XRP-related developments, the cryptocurrency payment provider transferred 80 million XRP or $45.68 million to an anonymous address, according to Whale Alert data. The money came from Ripple's spending wallet called Ripple One, according to the XRP scan data. Not long ago, Ripple released 200 million XRP from its escrow accounts, which includes the tokens that were transferred. January 1, 2024 was the day that Ripple unlocked 1 billion XRP. A few hours later, the business sent 20 of the coin's 200 million XRP to its spending address while relocking 80 of the total 800 million XRP in escrow. The first 100 million XRP transmitted by Ripple occurred on January 7. 80 million XRP have been sent to the same address by the payments provider after the 2 transfers. The current balance in Ripple One, the spending wallet, is 46.3 million XRP. Conversely, $55.8 million now in the recipient's account. The 80 million XRP that this address received from Ripple has not been used for any transactions yet. In addition, in response to Metaman's inquiries about the XRP ledger's peculiar beginning at block 32,569, Schwartz disclosed some new information. Metaman expressed doubt and stressed the need for openness for XRP holders. On X, the member of the XRP community questioned Schwartz. The chief technology officer of Ripple then made a comparison to the Genesis block issue on Ethereum. Even though Ethereum has transactions that predate its official inception, he pointed out that they are not publicly documented. In particular, Schwartz mentioned 2622 Ethereum transaction that occurred on August 3, 2016 and involved almost $6 million. Where did that Ethereum originate from, he wondered. Here, a member of the XRP community pointed to transactions in the Ethereum Genesis block that showed the transfer of 40,000 Ethereum. Schwartz admitted as much, but he emphasized that the Genesis block definition decisions meant that the origin of those 40,000 Ethereum tokens remained confidential. The Genesis block of XRPL, which begins at ledger 32,569, was one of the decisions that Schwartz claimed were arbitrary. Like the decisions made in Ethereum's instance, he argued these choices sought to conceal the origins of funding. The chief technology officer of Ripple stressed that from the viewpoint of the public blockchain, the 40,000 Ethereum tokens did appear out of nowhere when questioned if this was the case. On the other hand, he emphasized that Ethereum insiders know more about the subject. However, Schwartz verified that the chain's Genesis ledger did not include any transactions, which is relevant given that the XRP ledger was one of its original builders. Nonetheless, he claims that 534 transactions were recorded in the first 32,570 ledgers, all of which have since been lost. That's all for now.